In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a wall in Planner 5D. Now, the first thing you have to do is select your floor where you want to add your wall. So I'm going to go to floor 2 over here, or the new floor, and then you want to go to the left and click on build. Now, you can do this easily inside 2D mode, so that's what I'd recommend. And then you want to click on draw walls over here. Then you can position yourself where you want to draw the wall. You also have like a tutorial down here at the bottom right. And then what you have to do is simply click where you want to start your wall and then just drag however you want to have it, and you can attach it to a different wall, which is green like that. So when you click, there we go, we've successfully added a wall. Okay, then just press the escape key and your wall is gonna get added. You can then click on it, and over here you can do different things. You could use this style tool, you could go and basically add corners, you could go and hide it, etc. Okay, so that's essentially how to add walls in Planner 5D. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.